In this video tutorial, I want to show you how to calculate age from date of birth in Excel. If you have candidates like in this example and you have their date of birth and you want to calculate age, how do you do that in Excel? So it's quite simple than you thought. However, there is simple thing we need to do before we are able to achieve it. The first one is that you have to format your data properly, and I will show you in this video how to format your data. So the first thing to do is to come to this date of birth, just highlight this cell like this, then right click and come to format cell, then come to numbers here and come here to date. Choose the date format like this and click on OK. Similarly, you have to come to age, this column for age, highlight it like this and format it as well. To format it, right click and come to format cell. Then this one will be number. Come to number and choose the number format and click on OK. So after you have done that, it is time for you to calculate the age from the date of birth. To do that, put your console here and enter equality sign equal to, then use this function called DATEDIF. DATEDIF, then open brackets, and the date of birth is what we are going to enter here, which is this. Click on it and put comma. Since we are calculating the age, we must specify today's date, and to specify today's date, we are going to use the function today. This is it. Enter it and close the brackets, then put comma. Now we want to calculate the age in year, so what we need to do, we have to input quotation mark and put Y to indicate year, then close the quotation mark and finally close the brackets, then press enter key. You can see it has calculated the age in year. So we can now calculate for the rest by clicking and drag, or just double click here, so it will calculate for the rest. So this is how to calculate the age from date of birth in Excel, and this is very useful when you have a large number of data that you are dealing with, and also it ensures accuracy. So thank you for watching.